So we're on the queue here wanting some steaks tonight. And can you name our steaks? What do we have here?
We got a filet, we got a New York strip, and we got a bone and ribeye.
So we're gonna reverse sear these. That means we're putting it on the indirect side. Get these to 115 degrees before they go directly on the fire. So we got these beauties to an internal temp of 110, and now Rue's putting them directly on the heat, and we're gonna finish these off. So we pulled these off about 10 minutes ago and let them rest. What do you want to try first? The filet, the strip, or the ribeye?
I think I'm gonna want to try the filet first.
The filet?
Ooh.
Let's turn it for the camera there. Look at that.
Perfect.
All right, you ready for a slice of that?
Yep.
Hold that up. Let's see it. All right, next one. Strip or the bone and ribeye?
New York strip.
We're trying our Mr. Barbecue knife for the first time, and this thing goes, look how thin you can get it if you want. Look at that. Let's try it. I think I like that a little better than the filet. A little more flavor to it.
Yeah. Ooh, that's really tender.